Next topic is sex determination. See here. Determination of sex or sex determination. See, what is the sex determination? So, sex determination is nothing but the mechanism. It's the process, mechanism by which sex is established. Sex of an individual get established. Such process, such mechanism is called as determination of the sex. Mechanism by which sex of an individual established. By which sex of an individual established, such mechanism we are called as determination of the sex. So what is the sex? Sex term relates to or sex term is the meaning is sexual phenotype. Physical appearance. Sexual phenotype, physical appearance is a sex. So see the determination of the sex, how the sex get determined. In human being, in different organisms, what are the different mechanisms of sex determination? We see here. See, first of all, the determination of sex in the human being. In human being, how the sex of an individual get determined. See here, in human being, the sexual reproduction occurs. Here, two different sexes are required for the reproduction process. Parents, male and female. In human being, total 46 chromosomes are present. It's the genetic material of the human being, diploid genetic material of an individual, of a human being. In case of male, 46 chromosomes are present, in same case of female also. But here 40 out of 46, 44 autosomes are present. Same here 44 autosomes. Along with here two sex chromosomes are present in male and female. But in case of male, the sex chromosomes are X chromosome and Y chromosome. X chromosome and Y chromosome. But in case of female, the sex chromosomes are X and X chromosome. 44 autosomes and XX, two sex chromosomes. While in case of male, 44 autosomes and XY, sex chromosomes. Here, female, in case of female, when oogenesis occurs, gametogenesis occurs, it produces only one type of gamete. It is a homogamete. Human female is a homogamete. Homogamete means it produces only one type of gamete. While in case of male produces two different types of gametes. Hence, it is heterogamete. Heterogamete. It produces two different types of gametes. Now see here how the sex of an individual in case of human being is determined. Male parent, this is a male parent and female parent. Male parent have the genotype 44 autosomes plus XY sex chromosome. Genetic material, genotype. In case of female, 44 autosomes plus XX sex chromosomes are present. During gametogenesis, in case of male, spermatogenesis occurs. So here spermatogenesis occurs by the meiosis cell division, reduction division. So here the genetic material reduced to half. Paired chromosome becomes unpaired. So here the gametes are produced in this way. Each gamete have 22 autosomes plus XX chromosome, another one 22 autosomes with Y sex chromosome. With Y sex chromosome. 22 autosomes, half 22, and out of these two sex chromosomes, one sex chromosome come in one gamete, another in another. So such two different types of gametes are produced in case of male. Hence male is a heterogametic. In case of female, see here, only one type of gamete is produced having 22 autosomes plus. This is also X, both are XX. So all eggs having X sex chromosome. Only one type of gamete produced in case of female. Now see, when this male gamete fuse with this female gamete, fertilization occurs. The resultant offspring 44A plus 44A, sorry, 22A plus 22A is 44 autosomes plus X, and another combination is 44A plus XY. This is a female offspring, while this is a male offspring. Female offspring, and this is a male offspring. So here there are 50% chances of the female child as well as 50% chances of the male child. So 50% chances of female and male child occurs in the every fertilization process. So here see, as the female is a homogametic and male is a heterogametic. Hence depending on the type of sperm, if the sperm containing XX chromosome fuse with the egg, the resultant offspring is a female. If the male gamete sperm having Y sex chromosome fused with the egg, the resultant individual is a male. So in case of human being, the sex of an individual is determined by the male parent and not by the female parent. So here male parent determine the sex of an individual. Offspring, new individual offspring. So this is a sex determination in case of the human being, human being. So here male parent is responsible for determination of the sex because he is heterogametic. Now see the mechanism of sex determination in birds. Actually in case of human being, this mechanism is called as XXXY type. XX and XY XX type, male female. First male is female. XY XX type. In case of birds, see here. In birds, the mechanism is ZZZW type. Sex determination mechanism is ZZZW type. See here, ZZ, this is a male. In case of birds, male having paired chromosome autosomes along with the sex chromosome ZZ. So here male is homogametic and female is heterogametic ZW. Female bird, the genetic pattern of female bird having paired autosomes and ZW sex chromosomes. During gametogenesis, male produces haploid number of autosomes and one sex chromosome Z. All the sperm have haploid haploid number of autosomes and Z sex chromosome. Female produces two types of eggs. One having haploid number of autosomes with Z sex chromosome and another having haploid number of autosomes along with W sex chromosome. Then depending on the egg, which egg fertilized by the sperm, because sperm is only one type. There are two types of eggs. So depending on the eggs, which egg fertilized by sperm. The sperm is same. So when this sperm fertilized with this egg, the resultant offspring is 2n plus ZZ. This is a male. If this sperm fertilized with this egg, the resultant offspring having twice n 2n plus ZW sex chromosome. So this is a female. So here the combination change on the basis of type of egg, not on the basis of type of the sperm, because sperm is only of one type. So here in this case, in case of the birds, the sex of an individual is determined by the female parent. In case of bird, female parent determine the sex of an individual. The sex of an individual determined by female parent in case of the birds. Now see in case of the honeybee. In case of honeybee, haplodiploid type of sex determination occurs. Haploid male while diploid is a female. See how? Now see sex determination in honeybee. How the sex of an individual is determined in the honeybee? It is considered as a haplodiploid type. Haplodiploid type of sex determination in case of the honeybee. Now see, honeybee having 32 chromosomes. This is the diploid. 2n is equal to 32. Now see here, in case of honeybee, female is diploid while male is haploid. Female is diploid while male is haploid having single set of chromosomes. When gametogenesis occurs, in case of female, when gametogenesis occurs, it produces same type of gamete and is equal to 16. This process occurs by meiosis. Gametogenesis occurs by meiosis, but in case of male, the gametogenesis is carried by mitosis. There is no reduction division. So here, the gamete having 16 chromosomes. There is no reduction division. Male is haploid, their gametogenesis occurs by mitosis process. So here, actually female allow the sperm to fertilize the egg. If it allows to fertilize the egg, the resultant individual having diploid number of chromosomes as 32. And this individual is a diploid, hence it is a diploid female. If it allows to grow the egg without fertilization, so individual becomes haploid, and that haploid individual is a male. So male is a haploid which produces from the egg without fertilization, while fertilized egg results So haploid is a male, diploid is a female. So here set of chromosome determines either one set or two set determines the sex of an individual. Hence it is a haplodiploid type of sex determination. Now see, 2n is equal to 32 chromosomes are there, is a female. When female feeds on royal gene, that female then converted into the queen. One female out of one honeycomb, only one queen is there. So female when fed with the royal gene, that female bee converted into the honey, converted to the queen. Royal gene. Female individual fed with the royal gene get converted into the queen. This is the sex determination in case of the honeybee. Now see one interesting fact about the Bonelia. Bonelia is one of the aquatic worm, marine worm. Marine worm about 10 cm long in this way, about 10 cm long, which have very flattened proboscis. This proboscis is about 1 meter long, and this is a female individual. Here, the sex of an individual in case of Bonelia determined by an environment. Determined by the environment. The young ones larvae produce. Larvae produce when the larvae produce, and then when larvae of this individual settle down on seashore. When it settled down on seashore, it gets converted into the female. But if the larvae settles on this proboscis here, then it gets converted into the male. Male is very small as compared to the female. Male enters through the mouth, enters inside the body of the female, and lives as a parasite whole life. Male parent, here male of this Bonelia lies inside the uterus of the female as a parasite for whole life. So here individual of male and female determined on the basis of environment. If it is stick on the seashore, converted to female. If larvae attach on the proboscis, it gets converted to the male. This is the environmental determination of the sex. Sex of an individual determined by the environment. So this is about the determination of sex by different mechanisms. Actually here, initially Henning, one scientist, observed the spermatogenesis in case of the squid bug, splash bug, in case of splash bug. He found that in the in case of male spermatogenesis, Henning, he observed the spermatogenesis in case of the splash bug. He found that the 50% of sperm having unpaired chromosomes. 50% chromosomes are unpaired, 50% sperm have the unpaired chromosomes, while 50% sperms do not have such unpaired chromosomes. He stated that this is the X body. But he do not know about the role of this X body in the determination of the sex. Later on, this X body is determined as an X chromosome. which have a great role in the determination of the sex, in the mechanism of sex determination.